Hi everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to embed Google Calendar on Shopify store. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So if you head over to your online store, then to preferences, you will be able to see that we have various integrations or different preferences in here, but we cannot see Google Calendar, so you can search in here for calendar on top just like that and search that in your app store, and we are directed towards our app store. You can see we have various calendars in here, but we still cannot see Google Calendar. So for that you can either create an app, so head over to your you can say like backend section again, and here you're gonna search in here for you need to head over to apps, and you can build an app and integrate that with your you can say like Google Calendar and Shopify. So that's the only way that you can do it. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.